Today I am unboxing the May 2015 version of the MacBook Pro. These are still for sale on the Apple Store for $2,000, but I did not pay that. I actually got a refurbished unit. I'm going to unbox it today. Right here's never been opened, just took delivery a few minutes ago. I tell you, I couldn't be more excited. But before I unbox it, let me just make a few things clear. I was always a big fan of Final Cut Pro 10, but I decided to give the world of Windows-based video editing a go, and I really liked Vegas. Now, I tried Premiere, and I've tried a lot of other video editors, and I know people in the comments have suggested, hey, why don't you try this, why don't you try that, and I have. But Final Cut Pro has always been my first choice, but when I got the new MacBook Pro a few years back ago and gave it to my wife, I just decided, hey, I'm going to go all in on Windows. And Vegas is the one I've been using for quite some time. And Vegas 15, when I started doing things like adding LUTs and color correction, it just bogged down. I just wasn't happy with it. And of course, they have an annual upgrade program. It's a few $100s a year, and they also have a subscription model. And you know what, I paid for Vegas a long time ago, and I decided, you know what, the heck with it, I'm going to go back to Mac, and I'm going to just use this computer for one thing and one thing only, which is to edit my videos, and that's it. And so when I saw a refurbished May 2015 version of the MacBook Pro on the Apple Store last night, I went ahead and pulled the trigger. I said, you know what? Life's too short. You want one, go ahead and get it. I know you're going to be happy. Now, this does not have dedicated graphics. It has the Iris Pro. So it's got 16 gigs of RAM, a 256 gigabyte SSD, a 15-inch display, and the Iris Pro graphics. And I think that will suffice for what I'm going to be using it for. I don't have room for an iMac here in the office, and I want to use this with my 34-inch ultra-wide display. So basically, I'm using it as a desktop, more or less. It's probably not going to go anywhere. I got a really great Windows laptop for portability, and if I want to edit on the go, then I've got DaVinci Resolve loaded on it, and that will be my second choice of video editor. So let's go ahead and share the experience of opening and unboxing a refurbished Apple computer. And so this is a basic brown box. And with the refurbs, typically you don't get the real pretty Apple box that these things come with. So we are opening this up. And they do have it taped up pretty doggone good. And there we go, you see? Like so. Whoa. Oh, that's in there. Wow, wait a second. Was I wrong? They did. So you know what that means. This might be a brand new one, because the last refurb did not come in the MacBook Pro box. I got, wow. That's pretty cool. I'm happy to see that. Oh man, this appears to be a brand new unit. Could it be? Ooh, let's open this up. Oh yeah, wait a second. I want you to hear this. That's the best part, right? Oh. Wow. Okay, da. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Got the tab that you just pull it out. And I'm going to set this off to the side. And then there's all your parts. You've got your MagSafe connector, your wall charger, your power cord. Of course, this will have a cleaning cloth. And I think your Apple stickers. So let's take this out. Right there is the power brick, MagSafe connector, power cord, got to have one of those. And then, yeah, let's open this up. Let us open this up. Oh, come on. Don't want to tear anything. Your book, booklet, cleaning cloth, and Apple stickers. Right there we go. And that's what's in the box. Then I ordered a 2-meter Thunderbolt 2 cable because that's how I'm going to be connecting video output from the MacBook Pro into the LG ultra-wide monitor. I don't think I could really sit and edit on a 15-inch very long. Okay, I just don't think I could. Get this out of the way. And now, oh yes, the most satisfying part. Here we go. Oh my. Brand new machine. Look at that. Nice and thin. Weighs about 4 pounds, I believe. Yeah, it's been out in very cold weather. This machine is actually cold to the touch. It's really cold. And now we're going to go ahead and open it up. There we go, this way. This still has the logo that lights up. Set this down. And of course, you have this protective cover over the display. And there it is. This is the 2015 May MacBook Pro. Now the question is, why would you go with this and not a new one? I was specifically looking for 2015 models. Here's why I don't want the 2016 or 2017 MacBook Pro. See this? Ports, MagSafe, Thunderbolt, USB 3.0, headphone jack. Okay? USB, HDMI, card reader. I have ports. I won't have to live the dongle life. And because this is going to be more or less permanently installed, that's great. That's exactly what I wanted. And I got it at a way better price. So to the people out there that go, Windows, 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 and how you made videos espousing I have not changed my stance on Windows. And if I liked Premiere, that's probably what I would have went to, or stuck with Resolve. I still think Windows machines offer fantastic value. But for my purposes, and I don't want a Hackintosh, but I didn't want to spend $3,000 on a laptop either, and I don't want an iMac, and obviously I don't want an old trash can Mac Pro. This will suffice. It's got one job. See, I buy computers to do particular jobs. You got one job, edit video. And we're going to see how it does because this video is going to be edited on this MacBook Pro. Thanks for watching.